Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to a game-changing product that has completely revolutionized the way I use my air fryer. Introducing the Reusable Silicone Air Fryer's Matte Liner Non-Stick Steamer Pad Baking Inner Liner Cooking Mat for Kitchen Accessories Round Square. This incredible product is 100% reusable and made from non-stick silicone, meaning that it not only protects your air fryer basket but also stops food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. Its flexible design fits both square and round air fryer baskets, and it's heat-resistant and dishwasher safe. Plus, it's food-grade, PFOA and BPA free, so you can use it with confidence. The reusable silicone air fryer's matte liner comes in a range of sizes from 7.5 inch to 9 inch and in both square and round shapes, so you can find the perfect fit for your air fryer. It's available in red and black, adding a pop of color to your kitchen. So, if you're tired of dealing with stuck-on food in your air fryer, or just want to make cleanup easier, then this product is an absolute game-changer. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your air fryer experience with the reusable silicone air fryer's matte liner. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product and take your air frying to the next level. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more game-changing product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.